I'm going to talk about upcoming patterns. So there's some positive PNA for today, 7 p.m. So next tomorrow, it's gonna be still positive PNA in southern Toronto. So next hour there's some negative. They're gonna say negative, mostly positive PNA. Actually, it's gonna be negative PNA, but actually it's gonna be positive. So there's going to be better weather model in the future. There's some negative PNA in southern Ontario, and it's final days to off. So there's some negative PNA. It's gonna be neutral PNA actually for this time period. So let's go to 1 p.m. So Toronto. So Uxbridge, Stoffel, Barrie, Beverly Isles, Collingwood on the beach, Bombay, Salak Bay. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, so ignore that city, please. So London, Long Point is only one, so those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls, city parts of it. So next hour, so Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salak Bay, Barrie, Beverly Isles, London, Port Elgin, Hanover. Those cities they're going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So next rainfall. So Queens Park, Niagara on the Lake Parkway, Long Point. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So next 12 hours. So Scarborough, Stoffel, Newmarket, Collingwood, Bombridge, Thunder Beach, Barrie, Beverly Isles, London, Port Elgin. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So next 1 p.m. So Scarborough, Pickering borderline, Uxbridge, Stoffel, Beverly Isles, Barrie, Collingwood, Bombridge, Thunder Beach, Solway. Those is Long Point. Those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So London is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. So my Mr. cities, so including Newmarket. So Newmarket is 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. London is going to be 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. 7 p.m. Barrie, Georginia, Beverly Isles, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salak Bay. London, those cities are gonna get some. Port Elgin, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's do 7 a.m. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Barrie, Port Elgin is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So 1 p.m. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is gonna. Port Elgin is those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So 7 p.m. nothing else. So 7 a.m. there's nothing else. 1 p.m. Thunder Beach is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Don't need lines. So 7 p.m. there's nothing else. So 7 a.m. nothing. 1 p.m. nothing. 7 p.m. there's nothing else. I just say nothing because the video is gonna be quiet. So total precipitation every 12 hours. So keep So London is going to get some 1.2 millimeters of rainfall. Scarborough Pickering borderline is going to get some 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. Uxbridge is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Stoffel slash Uxbridge is going to get some 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. So Palm Beach is actually going to get some 1.2, 1.7 is on the beach, 0.7 is Starlock Bay, Barrie 0.7, Georginia 0.2, Beverly Isles 1.2, Port Elgin is going to be 1.2. Niagara on the Lake is 0.7. 0.2 is in parts of Niagara Falls City. Everywhere, most part actually, including Niagara on the Lake also. Not just 1 point. So 1 point, gonna say 0.2 to 0.7 is Niagara on the Lake. So next hour on the Skipberry. So London is going to get some, we're going to say heaviest part is going to be 1.7 millimeters of rainfall. So where's London on Google Maps? It's going to take a minute. So London's okay. So Scarborough Pickering is 0.2. Uxbridge is going to be 0.7. Stouffville is actually doesn't count. 2 millimeters of rain, Collingwood. Palm Beach is 0.7. In Thunder Beach, Solid Bay is going to be, no, not Solid Bay. Thunder Beach is going to be 1.2. And 1.2 is also Solid Bay actually. So Barrie is 1.2. Same thing as Beverly Isles. Georginia is gonna be 0.2. Port Elgin 0.7 is closest. So Honors is nothing else. So next hour, unless there's Newmarket, Newmarket's too far. So next day actually. So what is it? 7 a.m. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach. Port Elgin is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, but it's not going to count actually. So only like Palm Beach, Thunder Beach only counts. If you see now like dark, so they told it's so much for you. So I gotta say it again. So Niagara on the, if you see like rainfall close to Niagara on lake like beaches, it's just going to be dark clouds on the cities, not rainfall. So next 12 hours. So Thunder Beach is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. So final day, there's nothing else. Only Northwest Ontario, Southwest Ontario, those are gonna get some 0.2 to 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So winter precipitation is going to take a minute. So 12 centimeters, 12 hours, 1 centimeter, not 1 centimeter. It's gonna be max snowfall for 12 hours. So next hour, go back, slow. So let's start from the beginning actually. So 8 p.m. Newmarket is 0.5, 0.3 Stouffville, 0.6 Uxbridge, 0.2 is Oshawa, 0.4 London, 1.6 Collingwood, Palm Beach. Palm Beach is going to be going a long time. So like Port Elgin is gonna get some 0.2 centimeters of snowfall. So let's do the next hour. Or we can do this now. Like I can say 1 centimeter of snowfall in Tennessee and Palm Beach. So it's going to be it's going to be 0.3 centimeters of snowfall. 0.6 actually in Salak Waves. So next hour, multiple cities gonna be escaped. I didn't do orange for a long time. So Stouffville 0.5, Uxbridge 0.6, Oshawa 0.1, Newmarket 0.6, London 0.3, Port Elgin 0.2, Collingwood 1.9, 0.5 is in Salak Bay actually 0.6. So Thunder Beach is actually going to be 1 centimeter of snowfall. So next, okay, might missed something. So let's double check. There's nothing. So let's do next day. So Thunder Beach, Palm Beach is 0.2 centimeters of snowfall or 0.1. 0.2 actually most of the time. So next, double check. So next 7 p.m. There's nothing else. So 1:14 hours. There's nothing. Gonna do 7 a.m. actually. So Brampton, Stouffville, Oshawa, Belleville. It's gonna be 2 degrees. 1 degrees. No, against the Newmarket, Uxbridge, Peterborough. It's gonna be 1 degrees. Down to Toronto. It's gonna be 3 degrees. Oakville, Hamilton, Burlington. It's 4 degrees, including Niagara Falls City. Niagara on the Lake is 5 degrees. London 3 degrees. 1 degree in Whitehorn. 2 degrees in Collingwood. 3 degrees is in Coolburg. Scarborough is going to be 2 degrees. So I didn't do Scarborough precipitation in a long time. So 3 p.m. or skip the month. So cities. The bottom line say Hobie is going to be 2 degrees. Barn Beach is going to get line is too big. So Barn Beach is going to get 2 degrees. Thunder Beach is actually 3 degrees. Solid Bay is 2 degrees. So like next might skip multiple cities on Lake Simcoe. So let's erase everything. So Beverly Hills is 1 degree. Georgina is 2 degrees. Barry's 1 degrees. So 3 p.m. or 8 a.m. is too early. So London. Let's see other cities with 3 degrees. Coburg, Belleville, going 3 degrees. So next one, so Hamilton, Niagara on the Lake is going to be only those cities, 5 degrees. Brampton, Delta, Toronto, Niagara Falls City is going to be 4 degrees. Stouffville is 2 degrees. Scarborough 3 degrees. Newmarket is 1 degrees. Orange Falls 2 degrees. Peterborough is 1 degrees. Uxbridge 0 degrees. Collingwood is 1 degrees. 2 degrees in Whitehorn. Lionshead Hall Bay is going to be 2 degrees. 1 degree in Palm Beach. 2 degrees is Thunder Beach. Solid Bay is going to be 2 degrees. Could be 1 degree. So actually 1 point. No, it's going to be 2 degrees most of the time. So Barry, Georgina, Beverly Isis is going to be 1 degree. Or there's only one is going to be 0 degrees. Could be 2 degrees in Georgina actually. So 8 a.m. So Lions Head Bay is going to be 0 degrees. So London. Downtown Toronto, only those Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville. Those cities are 1 degrees. Niagara on the Lake is only 2 degrees. Brampton, Stouffville, Oshawa, Coolburg, Belleville is gonna be -1. Newmarket, Orangeville, Uxbridge, Peterborough is -2. Barry's -2. Georgina is -1. -2 is in Orla. -1 is in Beverly Isles. Didn't do wire tons. So wire ton -1 including oil sun, same thing. I don't usually do oil sun, so one is for precipitation. So 1 degree in Salt Lake Bay on the beach, Palm Beach. Salt Lake Bay could be 0 also. Those two. Not actually 0, but those two. So 3 p.m. So London, Brampton, Coolburg, gonna be 2 degrees. Hamilton, Burlington is 3 degrees. Downtown Toronto is 3 degrees. 3 degrees in Niagara on the Lake Winds Bay. Niagara Falls City is 2 degrees. Newmarket, Stouffville, Oshawa, Peterborough, Belleville is gonna be 1 degrees. -1 is at Uxbridge. Wyerton, Collingwood is 0 degrees. So Wyerton and Owen Sound same thing, even those degree parts. So including port area that I don't usually use. I'm not gonna use them for like. So Salt Lake Bay is gonna be 2 degrees, but it's going 1 degrees. 1 degrees in Palm Beach, 2 degrees in Thunder Beach. Lions Head, Whole Bay is going to be 2 degrees, 1 degrees, 1 degrees. Next hour, 8 a.m. It's gonna be 8 a.m. So London, Uxbridge is going to be -2 degrees. Whiteton, Collingwood is 0 degrees. Newmarket, Stoffel is -1. Brampton, Downtown is +1. Hamilton, Gwynplaine, Niagara on the Lake is 2 degrees. Niagara Falls City is +1 degrees. Oshawa is 0 degrees. -1 is in Quebec. -3 is in Peterborough. -3 is in Belleville. So Barrie is going -2. Orella is -3. Georginia is -2. Beverly Isles is -2. Lionshead Bay is going +1. Southern Beach, Palm Beach is +1. Salt Lake Bay is 0 degrees. Old Coast +2. So 3 p.m. So London is 4 degrees. Whiteton, Collingwood is 2 degrees. 2 degrees in Newmarket, Stoffel is 2 degrees. Brampton 3 degrees. Downtown Toronto 4 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville, Burlington is 5 degrees. Niagara, everywhere in Niagara Falls, including Gaines, 5 degrees. Oshawa, Quebec, Belleville is 3 degrees. Uxbridge, Peterborough is 1 degrees. So now you could use line set Hobie. So line set Hobie is 2 degrees. Line set Hobie. So Thunder Beach, Palm Beach, Salt Lake Bay is 2 degrees. Palm Beach is going 1 degree. Georginia is 1 degrees. Orella 1 degrees. Beverly Isles is 1 degrees. So actually Orella is it's okay. So you don't need to change anything for Orella's temperatures. So let's see, double check everything. So everything is done. So next 8 a.m. London, Brampton, Uxbridge, Peterborough is going -2. Newmarket, Orangeville, Stoffel, Oshawa, Cooper. No, gonna start again. So London, Brampton, Uxbridge, Peterborough is -2. Newmarket, Stoffel, Orangeville, Belleville is going to be -3. Niagara Falls City is -1. Niagara on the Lakes +1. Hamilton +2. Burlington +2. Oakville same thing +2. Queensway same thing +2. +1 is in Quebec. +1 Whiteham. +0 is going to be Collingwood. Bonbees. Thunder Beach is 2 degrees. 1 degrees is in Salt Lake Bay. So Barrie is going to be -1. Georginia is going to be 0 degrees. Orilla's borderline -3, so it's going to be -2 actually. So Beverly Isles is -3 degrees. -2 actually. So Lion's Head Bay is going to be 2 degrees. Lion's Head is actually 1 degrees and 2 degrees is in whole base. So it's hard to see Beverly, so I don't need to see any temperature for Beverly. So next hour, so London 5 degrees, 3 degrees Whiteham, Collingwood. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is 5 degrees, Queens 4 degrees, Hamilton, Burlington, Holt Coast 4 degrees, Brampton, Downtown Toronto, Oshawa, Quebec, Belleville is 4 degrees, 2 degrees in Uxbridge, 3 degrees in Peterborough, 3 degrees in Stoffel, Newmarket is 3 degrees, 2 degrees is in 3 degrees is in Orangeville, Newmarket, 3 degrees is also Thunder Beach, Palm Beach, Salt Lake Bay, Lion's Head Bay is going to be 4 degrees. The Barrie is going to be 3 degrees, Virginia is 2 degrees, Orella 2 degrees, Beverly Isles 2 degrees. Next hour, 7 a.m. So London is -1, -2 is Whiteham, -1 is +1 is in Collingwood, +1, -1 is in Brampton, Stowe -2, Newmarket -2, -3 is in Uxbridge, -1 is in Oshawa, Downtown Toronto is +2, Hamilton +2, Burlington, same thing as Hamilton all the time. It's going to be +2, +1 is in Quebec, -2 is in Peterborough, -3 is in Belleville, +1 in Niagara on the Lake, -1 is in Niagara Falls City, Green Spice +2. So Lions Head is going to be +1. Thunder Beach is +1. +2 is in Salt Lake. No, +1 is actually Salt Lake Bay. Palm Beach is going to be +2. +2 is in Thunder Beach. Palm Beach is actually +1, including Salt Lake Bay. Berries -1. Georginia is 0. -1 is in Orla. -2. No, -2 is actually Beverly Isles. So next hour, it's 4 p.m. So London 6 degrees, 5 degrees in Whitehall, Collingwood. London is 6 degrees, 5 degrees in Whitehall, Collingwood. Brampton is 5 degrees, downtown Toronto 5 degrees, Oshawa 5 degrees, Melbourne 5 degrees. Burlington, Hamilton, local is going to be Hamilton and same temperatures all the time. So it's going to be 5 degrees on those cities. So Stouffville 4 degrees, 3 degrees in Newmarket, Orange. Well, it's going to be 4 degrees. Uxbridge 3 degrees, 3 degrees in Peterborough. Cobourg 6 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is 7 degrees. Queens Park 6 degrees. So let's see what closest is. And Collingwood is going to be 5 degrees. Um, so that leads to Palm Beach. It's going 5 degrees. So like Bay is going to be 5 degrees. 5 degrees in like Thunder Beach also. Lions Head Bay is going 5 degrees. 6 degrees. Actually 5 degrees. So this is the end of the video.